Hello engineers, welcome back to our next lectures on transverse stability. Questions on weight shifted, shifting, adding and removing within a ship. A ship of 4000 ton displacement means given W, capital W is given 4000 ton. Displacement has its center of gravity. The whole weight of the ship's center of gravity is 1.5 meter aft of midship. First of all, draw the longitudinal view of the ship. Clear? Now, as per given question, this is my center line. Clear? Now, a ship of 4000 ton displacement has its center of gravity 1.5 meter aft of midship. Suppose this is my midship line. This line is my midship line. Clear? Now, aft. See, this side is nothing but aft. This one is forward and aft. So now, as per question, my center of gravity 1.5 meter aft of midship. Clear? This is my G value. How much distance? 1.5 meter. Clear? This is the distance. My reference is midship. Clear? Now, 4 meter above the keel. 4 meter above the keel. So this distance is how much? 4 meter. This is my keel. The baseline of the ship is called keel. From keel to the center of gravity means what? kg. Kg value is given how much? 4 meter. Clear? Next thing. 200 ton of cargo are now added 45 meter forward of midship. Now, as per given question, how much 200 tons of cargo? This is how much? Small w. So, small w is given. Small w, 200 tons of cargo are now added 45 meter forward of midship. Now, always remember, this is midship. Now, 45 meter forward of midship. Clear? This distance. meter forward of midship. Right? Any doubt? So, this length is how much? 45 meter. And 12 meter above the keel. And 12 meter above the keel. So this distance is nothing but 12 meter. Any doubt? Clear? Calculate the new position of the center of gravity and angle in which center of gravity moves relative to horizontal. Till date ये क्वेश्चंस एमईओ क्लास 4 एग्जाम्स में नहीं आया है, बट मैं श्योरिटी के साथ बोल सकता हूं अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स में इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, नो डाउट. क्लियर? नाउ सी हाउ टू डू सच टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, नाउ center of gravity, how your center of gravity will going to shifts like this only. This is the line where your final center of gravity lies anywhere in between these two, in between this line, anywhere in this line only. Clear? Your center of gravity lies in this line only. Any doubt? Clear? Chalo. Ab now see, अब this line, अब now see, अब this line having two components, no? See, this is not a horizontal and this is not a completely vertical. This line is not a completely horizontal and this line, we can't say this one is completely vertical. Means two components, two different components. Means we need to find horizontal as well as vertical. Horizontal center of gravity as well as vertical. So horizontal shifting of your center of gravity to the horizontal and your shifting of center of gravity to verticals. Clear? Two different यहाँ पर हैं. तो horizontal again make one table. Table is like that. Weight, lever, or what? Next thing is moment. Similarly, do the same along vertical. Your what is horizontal and vertical? Center of gravity shift हो रहा है ना along this line. So this line having two components. One is horizontal, another is vertical. Getting or not? तो एक सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी हॉरिजॉन्टल की तरफ शिफ्ट होगा मींस और सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी शिफ्ट्स टुवर्ड वर्टिकल एज वेल. क्लियर? तो वेट, लीवर, मोमेंट. अगेन वेट, लीवर, मोमेंट. क्लियर? एनी डाउट? नाउ vertical means with reference to kill. Clear? Vertical distance. So again vertical with reference to kill. अब ऐसे सोचो, अब now अब assume this, suppose this is your kill. Clear? Any doubt? This is G. How much distance? At this your weight, whole ship's weight is acting vertically downward and this is nothing but G, center of gravity of your displaced ships, right? So this is G and this is capital W. So now we can say some moment generated about this skill, some moment is generated about this skill and that moment is nothing but this perpendicular distance into weight W. मैं इसको जस्ट थोड़ा सा मैंने इसको क्या कर दिया, ओरिजेंटल सरफेस में ले लिया. ऑल्दो वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग दिस शिफ्टिंग ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी टुवर्ड्स वर्टिकल साइड, बट मैंने इसको आपको समझाने के लिए ऐसे कर रहा हूं. क्लियर? एनी डाउट? सो नाउ अब टेल मी दिस कैपिटल W, द होल वेट ऑफ द शिप इज हाउ मच? 4000. क्लियर? नाउ एडेड मास इज हाउ मच? Plus 200. Clear? Now one more mass is added suppose from keel to how much distance? 12 meter above the keel. Again same reference. This one is nothing but, see, this is 4 meter. Now this is 12 meter. Again small g here and small w, again vertically downward. Now k in small g is the vertical distance and now w which is acting vertically downward. So again there is some moment generated about the point kill. Getting or not? Clear or not? Chalo. So lever in case of capital W 4 meter, lever in case of small w 12 meter. So what is moment? Weight into lever. 4000 into 4, 16,000, 12, 2400, right? So how to find kg? How to find kg in this case? New kg in this case, or we can say kg1. Clear? kg1 is how much? This 16,000 plus 2400, that is 18,400 by summation of moment by weight. Always remember, kg is nothing but summation of weight by weight, summation of moment by फाइनल मास, समेशन ऑफ मोमेंट बाय फाइनल मास. ये थिंग्स मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया है. तो 18,400 बाय व्हाट? यस 4,200. प्लीज कैलकुलेट इट. 184 बाय 42 अराउंड. मेरी जो आंसर आ रही है 4.38 मीटर. 4.38 मीटर. 4.38 मीटर. नाउ अब दिस kg1 मीन्स सी दिस वन इज 4. क्लियर? एनी डाउट? अब बिकॉज ऑफ एडिंग नो, तो ऑफकोर्स ओल्ड जी से getting or not? See, this one is 4, so this one is, of course your g1 lies here only, so this is nothing but 4.38. clear? kg1 is how much? 4.38. this is the new center of gravity. clear? any doubt? So suppose I am assuming with reference to the kill your g somewhere lies here. suppose g, this is g1 and this distance is how much this distance? 4.38. इसी को मैं थोड़ा ऐसे इस तरीके से इसको क्या करो ना, इसको थोड़ा ऐसे पलट दो, just tilt it. तो now this k will become here, right? for your understanding purpose. So this distance is nothing but how much? 4.38. clear? This distance is how much? 4.38 meter. clear? now अब tell me, this one is 4 meter, of course this to this is nothing but 4 meter, so this distance is how much? 0.38 meter. clear? चलो इसको भी भूल जाओ, forget this. clear? any doubt? now next thing, horizontal. so in case of horizontal, now my reference is old center of gravity. My reference is which one? Old center of gravity. so now tell me, at capital G only the whole ship's weight is acting vertically downward. At capital G only. clear? so weight of the ship is 4,000. now is there any perpendicular distance between this old G and this weight which is acting vertically downward? Is there some perpendicular distance? No, there is no perpendicular distance. now in horizontal case, old G is your what? old G क्या है horizontal case में? हम इतने टाइम से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, ओल्ड जी इज योर रेफरेंस पॉइंट. नो, गेटिंग और नॉट? ओल्ड जी इज योर रेफरेंस पॉइंट. नो. नाउ अगर मैं कैलकुलेट करूं, इज देयर एनी मोमेंट जनरेटेड अबाउट दिस ओल्ड जी? सो टेल मी, दिस शिप्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट is capital W, that is 4,000 ton, and is there any vertical distance between G and W? No. Is there any vertical distance? No. Same point पे ही weight lie कर रहा है, means zero. Lever is zero in this case. Clear? So 4,000 into zero, moment is zero in this case. Now come to the next part. Now suppose हम लोगों ने weight add किया, that is 200. एडिशन, दैट्स वाई प्लस. सब्सट्रैक्शन होता तो माइनस. गेटिंग करो? चलो अब इन दिस केस प्लस 200. अब नाउ सी, लुक, अब नाउ टेल मी, In this case, this G. अब now the weight W, small w. Now because of this small weight which is added here, this is small w which is acting vertically downward. अब now tell me what is the perpendicular distance from old G to the center of gravity to the added weight. Getting or not? Now my old G to this, how much distance? अब this to this distance is given. From here to midship to the weight added distance is how much? 45 meter, right? And midship to old center of gravity aft, how much? 1.5 aft, 1.5 meter. So 1.5 plus 45 is nothing but total 46. This is perpendicular distance and the weight is acting like. From my reference is old G. In case of vertical, my reference was kill, but in case of horizontal, my reference is what? Old center of gravity. Please write it down. Old center of gravity. कोई डाउट नहीं होनी चाहिए. So now, अब now there is some moment generated about this old G. Why? Because now there is some perpendicular distance. Now there is some perpendicular distance, and that distance is nothing but 45 plus 1.5, that is 46.5, and weight which is acting vertically downward, 200 into 46.5. How much? Please calculate it. 200 into 46.5 मैंने calculate किया है 9300. So जब हम horizontal find करते थे, means what we will get? G1 is equal to moment generated due to adding, shifting, removing of weight within the ship by final mass. So moment generated is nothing but 4000 into 0 plus 200 into 46.5, that is 9300 by 4200. So this is G1. This one is G1, right? So 9300 by 4200. G1 is about 2.2142. 2.2142. meter. This is G1 and this one is Kg1. Clear? Any doubt? Now see, calculate the new position of center of gravity. New position of center of gravity, that is 4.3 meter. Clear? This 4.3 meter is from the kill. Ready or not? From the kill. And this 2.2142 meter is from the old center of gravity. Clear? From the old center of gravity. Clear? Any doubt? तो चलो अब see, अब we need to find the angle in which center of gravity move relative to the horizontal. Now see, this is my horizontal line. See, old center of gravity वाली line देखो, this line, this is my what? This is my horizontal line. Agree with me? Now अब because of weight यहाँ add हो रहा है, so along this line हमारी G1 हम लोगों ने find किया. This is nothing but G1. अब we need to find how much angle ये बना रही है with horizontal, that is theta. We need to find the value of theta. Center of gravity and angle in which center of gravity moves relative to the horizontal. Now अगर मैं इस triangle को बाहर निकालता हूं, see, G1, this is suppose H. चलो अब tell me the value. First of all, what is G1H? If we need to find this value, this theta. This theta. Tell me what is G1H. See, K G1 value is 4.38. K, this is K. K G1 value is how much? 4 this vertical. अच्छे से देखो. K G1, this vertical distance is 4.38. Now this to this, up to the center line, clear, is how much? 4 meter. Getting or not? ये same होगा ना. This one is this one same. 4 meter. अब now this line, this distance is how much? G1H is how much? 0.38 meter. 0.38 meter. Clear? Any doubt? Now, अब see, अब GH. Clear? What? मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है? सपोज मुझे फाइंड करना है G and H और see, अब this is nothing but G1H, or we can say this is nothing but GG1. Clear? GG1. Any doubt? So GG1 की वैल्यू is how much? 2.2142. Clear? 2.2142. 2.2142. GG1 2.2142. So again use the formula. Sin theta is equal to this perpendicular by hypotenuse. So 0.38 by 2.214. Clear? Sin theta is equal to 0.38 by 2.214. So what is the value? 0.38 by 2.214. 0.176. तो थीटा इज इक्वल टू, सी थीटा मैथमेटिक्स है, थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स ऑफ, साइन अगर मेरा इधर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 0.1716. 0.1716. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन इनवर्स? .1716. 0.1716. What will be the value? Please find it. Sine inverse of 0.1716. How much degree? Clear? Around 9 degree. Around 9 degree आंसर आ रही है. Clear? So this is my final answer. Clear? Any doubt? बताओ कोई भी आपको यहाँ पर डाउट? So this is the way to do the problem. Clear? So I don't think so इसमें कोई भी डाउट होनी चाहिए. चलो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स में अनदर डिफरेंट इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूमेरिकल्स पे बात करते हैं. स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर द मोर लेक्चर्स. थैंक यू.